Look what came. Just posted that other video. I figured that would happen, but anyway, that's okay. I'm not going to do my nails in this one. I'm just going to show you what I got. What I bought and what they sent. On my nails is this, turn the flash on, is this gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at this stuff. It is so pretty. It is erythral. That's hard to say and not get yourself in trouble, okay? Ethereal. Ethereal. Oh, that's it. Ethereal. Diva. And this was from April's PPU. I ordered a polish, and then my daughter ordered a polish. Actually, she told me to order it for her. And the one she told me to order for her was like exactly this. And I don't know what brand it was. I don't remember right now. But it was a little bit smaller. And she liked mine better when they came. I told her, I said, hey, I just ordered this one. It's like the same thing. She goes, no, I want this one. I want this one. Okay. We know who knows how to pick polish. Don't we, Casey? No, hers is really pretty too. Not hating. Okay. So, Vettsy, I ordered this on April 30th. Today is May 14th. That's how fast it came. So, you know, 14, 15 days. It was really quick. Super happy about that. They have improved immensely with their shipping. And here's inside the box. There's no heart-shaped bubble wrap. That's sad. Okay, oh well. All right, first, right on top we have, hey, Vettsy babies. Oh, so look at how sparkly. Ooh, those are pretty. I don't ever use gems, but these are really, oh wow, those are really thin. Maybe I do need to use those. Welcome back and thank you. Some gems stapled there. Super cute. So DM Vettsy store on Instagram with a screenshot of your review and get a free lucky bag. Value $30. Ooh, I just did a video, so I should do that. Will I? I don't know. I'm kind of lazy about that stuff. All right, so they always include a bunch of extra stuff. So some really cute, I think these are water decals, really cute. Some different vinyl guides. That one looks like water. That's kind of cool. And just like a thingy, a wave. So I've got tons and tons of these because I've ordered so much, and every time I get some more. And there's some butterflies, really pretty. Oh, these are stickers. It says stickers. Their stickers are so thin. They're not like popping up on the edges. I really like that. Okay, this is something I ordered, so let's put that aside. I ordered that. Dig through here. I ordered this, and I ordered this. I don't think I ordered anything else. So with the amount I ordered, I think you could get, like with the shipping, you could get a free lucky bag. And I think I ordered a lucky bag, and then I got one free because of the way I did shipping. I don't know, it was just something going on or what. Let me get this out of there. Yeah, now I remember. So I ordered a lucky bag, and it was like 10 bucks. And then when I went to check out with the free shipping, I got another lucky bag. So I got 2 lucky bags. So there's also a Vettsy file. And it's a 180 grit. I don't really like 100 grit, but okay. And look at this adorable little palette. Little paw print. So cute. And 2 lucky bags. So what I ordered, oh, it's got stuff on it. Did it leak? I don't think so. Okay, this is nail tip adhesive gel. So this is gel glue for nail tips. That's cool. Okay, so yeah, it didn't leak. It's sealed. I think this is gonna be like using builder gel or Gel X gel to attach tips with. Anyway, I wanted to try it. And then I grabbed just another UV brush. I like the handle because it's like, it's not gonna roll around. Although I do wish it had a lid because it's a UV, but that's okay. It does have this thing, so I'll stick it down in my little holder and light won't get to it. And then I ordered, ooh, that is leaking. Oh yeah, that I'm gonna have to get that out and clean it up. So I am glad though that they did put it in a little Ziploc bag, and so that, you know, it's not gonna leak all over everything else. And I'm sure it didn't leak much, but I'm gonna be sure and not cure that. But that is rhinestone glue. I don't know if it's gel or not. Soak off, maybe it is. And then I just got a package of the little nail tabs because I use these not usually to put nails on me, but I use them to stick on, you know, other nails as I do nail art. I put these on here because that sticky tab stuff, the like stuff you use for posters, and I hate that stuff. It doesn't work very good. That does. Okay. Bag one. Lucky bag number one. So some peel off protectors for your cuticles. I love these. I have a ton of these. I use these all the time. That will get use. What is this? Oh my gosh. It's a little bear mold to make little baby bears with. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh, let's look at this. Oh, it's like silicone. Oh my gosh, I want to fill one up and try it now. Oh, and they're different sizes. Oh, exciting. Oh, those are going to be cute. I actually have some stuff to make those with, but I just never did it. Okay. Oh, is this what I need? Emerald nail and extension gel. Oh, this is like polygel. Some green polygel. Fun. And here we have a wheel of little thingies. Look like they're metal, and they are flat, but they're super thin. Oh, wow. Bright gold. A lot of cool stuff in there. I do need to get into using this kind of stuff more because I don't. And I feel like I'm missing out. Oh, teeny tiny little like yellow pearl stars and some caviar. Oh, and those look really good together. I'm gonna have to get creative soon. And some more stickers. Constellations and suns and moons. Those are pretty. Oh, look. Look at the cute little daddy bears. Then last in here we have some cuticle oil in rose. I don't know. I go back and forth. Do I like rose or not like rose? I don't know if I like that, but it's fine. It did leak a little bit. But I do like their oil. The scent rose I'm not a big fan of because it's usually kind of artificial smelling. At least to me. And let's see what's in bag 2. Uh-oh, it looks like we've got duplicates. It looks like I'll be giving some stuff away. Alright, so we have an angle brush. And I do already have one of these. This is like to make French tip. Boom, boom. Another little silicone things to make bows with. Ooh, peach tea poly gel. And there are some little hearts, all different sizes, and they've kind of like gotten shoved all the way around. And looks like they're iridescent on one side, or like a multi-chrome blue, green, gold. Some more oil, and this one's aloe vera, so that's not going to smell offensive. There is like the same little gems. What are these called? Ugh, I'll think of it later, I'm sure. Oh, and a cute little ring to put on your finger, a palette ring to put on your finger while you're painting to, you know, color in. And some more little caviar and sequins that go together. And some like rose gold stars. Those are really pretty. Some butterflies and some more latex or non-latex vinyl stickers to protect your nails when you're stamping and stuff. So that's a pretty good deal. I like that. All right, let's look at my little polish shaker. Now this thing actually is meant for like shaking vials and stuff. So you don't strap your bottle into it or hook it up and turn it on. You have to hold it. And I already know I'm going to get comments. I already know what they're going to be. You can surprise me down below in the comments. And if you can come up with any other suggestive rude comments, I'm fine with that. I'm okay with that, because know that I have already thought of them all. This is it. It doesn't have an on-off switch or anything. It just plugs in. Has a nice pretty length cord. I'm gonna say it's probably 6 foot. But this is for shaking like medical vials. It has suction cups on the bottom. I got this from Amazon. I think it was like $40. I really like it. It works so well. And I'm going to show you. No, I've not sat on it, so don't even say it. And here is Moira. This bottle, as you can see, has been sitting up on my shelf forever. It is so separated. And, ooh, like, it needs cleaned for one thing. Yeah, it was pretty bad around the neck of the bottle. So, I haven't shaked it at all. So you're just gonna push down on it. What? There we go. And just hold the bottle on it. It's a little loud. You push on it to shut it off. But it does such a good job. Even bottles of polish that have the ugly bottle syndrome. And this, I don't think there's any shakers in here. But look, it's like brand new. It also works really well on gels. All right, you guys, I guess that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll have to do another video showing you how to do some of this stuff. Well, I'll figure it out. I don't know how to do it either. And we'll check out this stuff a little bit closer. I really think that this rhinestone glue is going to be good for like being able to use a light and hold a rhinestone on with the stamper and hit it with a light, I think. And I definitely want to try these little gems. They were so cute. So definitely want to try those gems because they're really thin. I've never seen them that thin before, but with really curved nails, it's hard to do anything like that. We'll see. But they always send a lot of extras with your order, and I think that's awesome. We all appreciate that. And even if you don't use it, at least you got some free stuff, huh? I will do a giveaway here coming up for Vettsy with some stuff. I've been putting some stuff aside, so be watching for that. And I'll do another video here in a day or two and do all the winners for the month of May that I've got so far. And that's it. Thanks for joining me. I do have a discount code down in the description box. I believe it's just Guyleen325, and it saves you 10% at Vettsy. But there's also a link that you can go straight to it. All right. Thanks. Bye. See how tall she is.
How tall? How tall is she? Oh, her tall.
She's like, I get in trouble for jumping. I don't want to jump.
Taste that, Master. Taste that.